history of computers. In this lesson, we will see the history of computer, how the computers get invented. Today we are using the computer, we are using laptop, even we are using the tab. But how this computer get invented? We will see the history of computer. First of all, we will see the abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device. It was developed by Chinese and has been in use since 15 BCE. It is mainly used for calculations such as addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. See, the abacus is look like this, having the beads like this. These beads are used for the calculations, means 2 plus 1 bead, 2 plus 2 beads, 3 plus 2 beads, means we can do the addition, even we can do the division by using this device, and this device is called as an abacus. Abacus is used for the calculation. Then second one, Pascaline. The Pascaline was developed by Basil Pascal. Basil Pascal is the name of the scientist who developed this Pascaline. It was the first mechanical calculator. This is also the one calculator. Then difference engine. The difference engine was designed by Charles Babbage. This designed to perform mathematical operations automatically. It was one of the earliest automatic calculator. Okay, this difference engine is invented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, name of the scientist who invented this difference engine, and this Charles Babbage is also called as a father of computer. Then we will see the analytical engine. The analytical engine was developed by Charles Babbage in 1937. It was considered as a world first general purpose computer. This is also used for the calculations and invented by this Charles Babbage. Then tabular machine. Tabular machine is invented by Hermann Hollier. It was developed to process the data. This also used for the calculation. Then after ENIAC come. ENIAC means electronic numeric integrated and calculator. This contains several thousand of different components. It also consumes large amount of electricity. Okay, means all these devices are used for the only calculation, means to do the addition, subtraction, even for the multiplication, division. All these calculations are done with the help of all these machines, and after this the computer get invented. Means the history of computer start from the abacus to now the computer which we are using, computer or laptop.
Modern computers are small, compact, and complex, and can perform many difficult tasks in just a few seconds. But computers were not always like this. They started off as a simple manually operated abacus and have gone through many changes. Let us trace their journey. Abacus. The Chinese developed the first abacus around 500 BCE. It was the first calculating device with beads on rods to count. It is still used in many Asian countries to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, to calculate fractions and square roots. Napier's bones. John Napier invented a manually operated calculating device called Napier's bones. It consisted of rods made of bones, ivory, or metal with numbers written on them. It could perform multiplication and division. Pascaline. The French philosopher and mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the mechanical calculating device called Pascaline in 1642. It could add, subtract, and carry tens, hundreds, and thousands between digits. Leibniz calculator. In 1673, Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician and philosopher, made changes to the Pascaline and created a device that could also multiply. It could even find the square root of a number. He named the device Leibniz calculator. Difference engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, invented the difference engine. It could perform calculations and even print the results. Analytical engine. In 1833, Charles Babbage began working on the first general-purpose digital computer, which he called the analytical engine. He developed it in 1837. The machine consisted of 4 components, that is, the mill, the store, the reader, and the printer. Tabulating machine. In 1890, Herman Hollerith, an American inventor, invented the tabulating machine. It could read, punch cards, and store and process data. Hollerith later founded the Tabulating Machine Company, which was renamed to International Business Machine, or IBM, in 1924. Mark I. The all-electronic calculator was invented by Howard A. Aiken in 1930 for the U.S. Navy. The Mark I was named the Harvard IBM Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator. ENIAC. Between 1943 and 1946, the ENIAC, or the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was developed by John Presper Eckart and John Macaulay. It could process information 1,000 times faster than Mark I. EDVAC. In 1947, John von Neumann invented the EDVAC, or the Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It had a central processing unit, or CPU, which allowed all computer functions to be managed through a single source.
See, I got a new laptop for my birthday. Isn't it pretty?
Yes, it's lovely. You know, Shreya, computers have come a long way from the old abacus to today's laptops.
Yes, I have seen a few types of computers and laptops myself, but I do not know how they were invented and what changes they have gone through.
Shreya, history of computers is quite interesting. Would you like to know how computers came up?
Sure, tell me please.
In the olden days, people counted on their fingers. They even used stones and bones to keep count. These methods, however, were not efficient for counting large numbers or doing mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Over the years, several devices were invented that were capable of performing mathematical operations. Come, let's look at some of the early calculating devices.
Oh, I know, this is an abacus.
You are absolutely right. Abacus is one of the earliest counting devices. It can help us perform basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division by moving beads back and forth on rods. Another device called the Napier's bones was used for multiplication and division. Later, in 1642, the first calculating device, called the Pascaline or Pascal calculator, was developed by Blaise Pascal.
So until now, the calculating devices were manually operated. Wasn't there anyone who tried to make an automatic device?
Yes, Charles Babbage designed the difference engine in 1822. It was one of the earliest automatic calculators, which was to be powered by steam and was as large as locomotive. Later, in 1837, he proposed the analytical engine. This steam-powered engine outlined the basic elements of today's modern general-purpose computer.
I'm impressed by how hard these inventors worked to make our lives easy and comfortable.
Absolutely. Now let us see the tabulating machine, which was invented by Herman Hollerith. Hollerith made this machine in 1890 to count the population of the United States. He designed punch cards to hold the data.
Wow!
In 1946, J. Eckert and J. Macaulay developed a new computer called the ENIAC. The ENIAC was huge and contained several thousand different components. Then came the UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, which was the first commercially available computer.
Oh, that was so long back. Computers from then have gone through such transformation.
Definitely. In fact, the computers that were developed from 1964 to 1971 were in a way similar to the present-day computers. The input was provided through keyboard and output was displayed on the monitor. Then, in 1980s came the computers for the home users. Computers of this age were more powerful, smaller, and today, computers have become extremely compact. What once required a big room to fit can now fit in the palm of your hand.
We have come a long way indeed. I wonder what is in store for technology in the future.